Are you okay, ma'am? Okay ka ba, ma? Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Sino yan?
Ako, ikaw. Ako at ikaw.
Ay, ayan ako.
Ma'am, may naalala kong ginawa kong kanta dati. Kinompose kong kanta.
Ano?
Hindi ko pa naalala ng buong buo pero naalala ko yung part na ganito nung sinulat ko. You want me to pass on your window every day, and you wonder if I'm the one. Oh, I see now what you want from me now. Oh, you are so brilliant. You are so brilliant. Oh, I knew you. Yes, I knew you. Everything in you that I see. Everything in you.
Ganda.